Look at this golden brown delicious chicken nuggets. Looks so beautiful and tastes so yummy. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lola Emmanuel TV. I want to appreciate all my subscribers, my viewers, all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support and all your genuine love. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always showing up to support me whenever I upload new video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to make the perfect and the most delicious and spicy chicken nuggets. I have tried different method to make chicken nugget, but this is the best one. Like, this is the perfect one that tastes much delicious than other method that I have tried. Okay, so I will take you along to show you all the ingredients that I use for this nuggets. To make nuggets, you will need chicken, bread, crumbs, white bread, oil, salt, ginger powder, turmeric powder, nutmeg, paprika, garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, eggs, milk, and food processor. Okay guys, this is my chicken. I advise you use chicken breast if you can find any. Okay, I didn't see chicken breast when I went to the shop to get chicken, so I bought this chicken thigh, and I will need to debone the chicken, take out the bones and the skin. Okay, when you're making nuggets, you need to use boneless chicken and skinless chicken. I will make sure I remove all the fat from the chicken and all the bones. Okay, this is the first process to make this. All right, this is my chicken. Once I remove the skin and the bone, I will transfer into my bowl. Okay, you can see there's a lot of skin there, fat. All right, I will discard that one. Then I will wash my chicken thoroughly. Once I finish washing it, I will dry with paper towel. Then I will cut it into small sizes because we need to blend this in a blender or food processor rather. Now, after cutting the chicken into small pieces, I will go ahead and add salt. I'm using half tablespoon of salt. I will add garlic powder. I will be adding all the spices. Okay, garlic powder, ginger powder, white pepper powder, turmeric powder, nutmeg powder, black pepper powder. If you can add hot chili, you can as well add if you want yours to be more spicy, but this is just perfect because of my children. I don't want to add too much pepper so that they can enjoy while eating this because they love it so much. They love it a lot. So once I add all the spices to the chicken, I will mix together. Then I will proceed to the next process. Okay, if you know that there are anything you are allergic to from these spices, you can skip it. It is optional. Okay, you can make this with just only salt, but trust me, this is the most delicious chicken nugget recipe that I have ever prepared, that we all love and enjoy. Like, it tastes super delicious, much more better than the one I normally bought in store before, but I don't buy in store anymore. I prefer making it at home. Whatever you make in your home is the best and is much more healthier than the one they sell in store. Now I will set this aside. Okay, now it's time to cut the bread. I will go ahead and cut out the brown side of the bread. Okay, you don't have to, but I love to cut out the brown side of the bread, just the front and the back. Okay, then I'll go ahead and cut the bread into small sizes. I don't know if you can use whole grain bread for this recipe, but I have not tried that one because that's my favorite bread. I love whole grain bread a lot, but using white bread, I prefer using it to make chicken nugget. Alright, once I finish cutting the bread, I will transfer this bread into my food processor. Okay, the perfect blender to make this is to use food processor. Although my food processor is very small, it's mini one, so I can't do everything once, so I have to do it like about twice or more. Okay, I will, once I finish blending the bread, I will take it out of the food processor and blend the remaining one. Here is the bread. So I will add some bread in the blender. Now I will start by adding the chicken. You need to blend this together. If you are using a large food processor, once you blend your bread, just add your chicken and blend everything together once. Okay, until you get a chicken paste. Yeah, it's chicken paste. Okay, this didn't take this doesn't waste time. So once I've finished blending it, I will take it out of the food processor. Like I said earlier, my food processor is very small. So I have finished blending the chicken. Here is the chicken and I've mixed together. Now we transfer this chicken to my baking paper and I will apply olive oil on my pan. You need to apply oil on your pan so that the chicken will not stick to your hands. You need to apply oil on your baking paper as well so that you can use your pan to smooth this very well. It is important you apply oil on your pan. Okay, same as well, I will go ahead and take my rolling stick and apply oil on it. Then I will use it to roll the chicken paste. You can see that it's not sticky to the rolling stick, so because of the oil on it, It will prevent the chicken for sticky to the rolling pin or your rolling paper, everything you using. Okay, you need this to be smooth. You can do this if you don't want to go through this process, since you are eating it in your kitchen at home, so you don't have to make it this neat. Okay, I'll be showing you how to cut this now. First, I will use my knife. You can use knife to cut this. Trust me, this is not going to be easy to cut because it's not pastry. It's not like your dough. Okay, this is me, so I will first use my knife. Any shape you want to use it, you can use. So I will be using 3 different shapes. Okay, but I love using the heart shape. Yeah, that's one I really need to. Most of it I'm going to use heart shape. I'm just showing you that you can cut it circle, triangle, rectangle, heart, any shape, even diamond. If you have any cookie cutter at home, just use it to cut your nuggets. Okay, but I will be using the heart. Then I will show you once I take it out. I will use my hand to smooth the edges. Okay, so that it will be more beautiful. Okay, as you can see, I will cut a lot of heart shape out of this. That is our favorite shape in the house. My daughter always heart shape. You can see that it's very easy to make chicken nuggets at home. We can get in store, but making it at home is the best, and it's very healthier than the one they sell in store. Okay, now I finished cutting all the nuggets. What I have here is 45 pieces of chicken nugget. That's a lot. Okay, what did I use? I used chicken. That chicken is £1. I think £1 69 pence. Egg, that's not expensive, just 2 eggs. So what else did I use? Okay, the spices and the bread crumbs, that one is it's under £1. So they are not expensive. Now I used to buy chicken nugget in store, like it's not how many inside, maybe 10 inside, and it's almost £3, like 10 inside, about £3, something like that. So we'll move to the cutting process. Okay, I've mixed my eggs with 1 tablespoon of whole milk, a pinch of salt, and I will be using 1 cup of bread crumbs. Okay, the first thing to do is to put the chicken nugget into the egg mixture, then take it out and put it into your bread crumbs. Okay, this is how to coat your nugget. So I will be showing you another way to do this. You can coat as many as your plate or your bowl can contain. Okay, so I can coat like 5 or 4 at the same time. Now that my eggs is still it's still many, I can do it as you can see. So to save the time, you can coat more than one at a time. So I'll repeat the same process with the remaining chicken. Alright, remaining nuggets, so chicken nuggets. My daughter loves doing this part, but she's not at home. You can use glove. Okay, you can use glove. I love to use glove, but the glove I ordered supposed to get white glove, but they brought like all those hospital glove, like blue one. I don't know if I can use it to cook, to be using to make food in the kitchen. I think I will just be using it for house cleaning. So okay, I finished coating this, and then I can't fry everything, so I need to take some of it into my food bag. This is also safe for freezer. I need to take some and store in my freezer. This can last for 2 to 3 months in your freezer. Okay, of course this within this can finish. You can finish this within a month. So they don't eat it every day, maybe once in a week or twice. Whenever I want to make chips for them, I also add nuggets instead of sausage. I give them chicken nuggets, chips for them with hash brown. It's finger food, so I will be taking about 30 or about 30 to the freezer, and I will fry the remaining one. You can as well use oven to bake. You can bake this in the oven or grill in the oven as well, because they are not the one eating the one I want to fry. So I will just quickly fry this one because I need to do some other things and I don't want to consume my electricity, because my mini oven consume electricity a lot. That's what I discovered. So I will fry the one I can fry, then I will be taking that one with my hubby. Now heat up oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. Okay, now we fry this on medium heat for about 6 minutes until you get a golden brown crunchy delicious chicken nuggets. Okay, and you are frying this, just make sure you keep your eyes on them so that you can be turning it over when you are frying it. Okay, once it's ready, you can see the color has changed after frying it. I will take it out of the oil and transfer it into my kitchen paper so that I can dry out all the excess oil from the nuggets. Here is my chicken nugget after frying. It's looking so beautiful and delicious. Oh my god, this is very sweet. I love the color, the taste, all the spices inside. You can feel it and you can see it's very nice and delicious, much more better than the one you get from store, okay, or in restaurants. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Remember to put the bell on so that you will always know whenever I upload new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.